Welcome back. As you know, every Tuesday here on the Power Breakfast Show, we talk matters health, we talk matters fitness, we talk matters nutrition. And this morning, we want to talk about matters fitness through the form of exercise known as yoga. And I'll allow our guest to introduce himself. A very good morning to you, sir.
Very, very good morning.
Kindly tell us your name and where you're from.
Yes, of course. I'm Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Okay.
And basically, I am an Ayurvedic doctor, means ki dawa ramiti shamba. And also postgraduate in yoga. And I'm here with my wife and one of my students.
Kindly give us their names quickly before we move on.
She is Dr. Seema Sharma.
Okay.
She is my wife for the last 25 years.
Nice.
Okay. And she is also an Ayurvedic doctor.
Okay.
And she has done the post-graduation and the PhD in yoga from Chandigarh, India.
Okay.
Okay. And we are here for the last 18 years, and we are running here the 3 yoga centers in Parklands. And she is the one who is taking 6 sessions a day. 6 sessions a day.
Okay.
Right now, recently, she represented our country, Kenya, to International Conference on Yoga for Holistic Health at New Delhi. And she was invited by the government of India to represent Kenya there. And she is the one who got the opportunity to...
We'll get into that a bit later.
Okay, she is...
What is the meaning of
yoga?
Holistic yoga.
Yes.
Yoga means, you see, it's not a religious thing. It is for the body, mind and soul. Okay, how we can clean, purify our body, mind and souls. Because yoga, basically it's a Sanskrit word. The words of first language and ancient language derived from the word yuj, Y-U-J. Yuj means ki union. Union between who and whom? Not the union between the two physical bodies. Union between the body with the awareness and awareness with the super soul. Means ki union between the individual soul and the super soul is the yoga.
Okay. That is why you have now difficulties with the Christian journey.
And we'll get there, Mr. Zhao. We'll get there. They have to do a set for us. So maybe you can do some postures for us.
Yes.
And then there's Willis Raburu there, of course. We work with him. And then the lady at the end is called who, sorry?
She is Usha Chawda.
Okay.
She is with us for the last 60 years.
All right.
And very much a regular student. And she will explain that how she got benefited with
yes, benefits of yoga, of course. But for now, we'd want to see some postures.
Yes, stand up, please.
Yes.
We start the yoga with the sun salutation. We pay tribute to living God Sun, because Sun is the one who gives us the energy, light, all the day. You think, how we will be the life without Sun? If the Sun is not going to shine, what will happen?
Well, we'll still move on.
Yes, yes. And now you come in the straight line. Yes. Start with the sun salutation. It is called the Surya Namaskar. First step, with your both hands together. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Hands and toes in one line. Nose and knee together. 4. Right foot in the front. Look up. Inhale deep. Hold the breath. 5. Whole body weight on hands and toes. Breathe out here. 6. Knees down, chest down, hips up. 7. Cobra, sleep state. Inhale, half cobra. Look up. Hold it. Now you are getting the stretch at your spine for the alignment of the spine. 8. Mountain pose. Breathe out. 9. Left foot in the front. Right leg stretched back. Come back in 10, breathe out. 11, breathe in. Come back, namaste, both hands together. Yes, this is a sun salutation. It's called the Surya Namaskar also in Hindi. This is a warm-up exercise to enter in the next postures. We do each and every session we do the 11 rounds of this one. It was one round.
Okay.
One round has the 12 steps. It is at the rhythm of breath. Inhale, exhale, and way to hold, way to exhale, and hold.
What is the importance of learning how to do that? Of learning how to breathe and when to exhale, when to hold? What's the importance when it comes to our bodily function?
How do you do it?
You see, The first principle of the yoga is when you or your body parts goes away from the gravity. My hands are going up, you have to inhale. As long as your hands are going to stay there, you have to hold it. You are coming down, exhale. Please down, please do it. Inhale, arms up. Hold it. Exhale, come back.
And exhale with your nose.
Yes. Well, God has given.
Yeah.
God has given us nose to breathe in and breathe out. If we are going to breathe in and breathe out through mouth, then we will have to eat through nose.
True. Okay.
This is the organ God has provided us. Okay.
Yeah.
So importance of breathing in and breathing out. You see, God has provided us oxygen in plenty in the environment. Okay. You ask the question to those persons who is in the ICU, he is at the oxygen, and how much hospital is going to charge from him only for the oxygen? 15 to 20,000 shillings a day only for the oxygen.
So learn how to use your nose.
So what the thing God has given us free of cost, we don't respect.
Yes.
And it is a principle of the human beings. The thing we are getting free of cost, we don't care.
We don't care. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Now I'm concerned about my specs or phone, who's 8,000 or 10,000, but not about my car.
True.
It's outside at the road.
Yes. Our priorities are wrong now.
Yes.
Okay.
So oxygen, why do we inhale oxygen? There are three types of energies. You continue with your sun salutation, please. Usha and Seema. Yes. Continue. Okay. We are concerned. We need three energies, vital energies: water, food, and air. Okay. Without water and food, you can survive for few days or few weeks. But without air, you can't survive more than 3 minutes.
True.
Okay, so oxygen is a vital energy. This is sun salutation, second round. Inhale up. Yes.
So you do this 11 times.
Yes.
There's something you said about the back has spine.
Yes, just let them finish. Now you see they inhale, then she just has the chin upward. It as you now see nose and knees together. Just please come in the cobra posture. Half cobra. Hands under your shoulders. Feet together, knees together. Now you will see. Inhale, half cobra. This is the treatment posture for the lower backache, and also for the alignment of the spine. You see, from this atlas vertebra till tailbone, and the hips are tight. This is for the alignment, and this is the posture of choice in lower backache, prolapse intervertebral disc, lumbago, and sciatic neuritis. Sciatic nerve.
Okay.
Okay.
All right then. As you can see, he's not able to do it. Oh, he's tired already.
Come back.
It needs to take a long
and
time
also do the Ardha Shalabhasana, both hands under your thigh.
Let me ask you, you see these two are professionals, they've been doing it for a very long time. Our friend Will is there, is already tired. How long does it take to, get your body used to that position?
From the very first day.
Oh, from the very first day?
First day, yes. And he will be please, Usha, Ardha Shalabhasana. Ardha Shalabhasana. Yes. This is the posture, it's called the half bow posture.
Half what?
Half bow posture.
Okay.
Half bow.
Half bow, yeah.
Yes. Now this is the alignment of the spine. Okay. Tilt your toes. Please tilt your toes. Touch your toes. Yes. Now this is the posture to cure the sciatic nerve. The pain in the sciatic nerve. The sciatic nerve is the thickest nerve in the body. It derives from the upper hip and till your hip. Any inflammation, those people who can't sit at the ground, they say, wow, very strong severe pain.
Yes.
Okay, this is for them. Other side, please. From the very first day, and he will be the master in the 3 or 4 months.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So in about 3 weeks.
Will is your both hands on your hips, thighs. Yes. Come back. Purna Shalabhasana, both legs up. You see? Now the body weight is at the stomach. Their thighs are up, legs are up. Come back, relax. Bow posture. Hold your both legs up. Inhale. You see that they're balancing at the pelvis.
Yes.
This is to tone your thighs, hip muscles, and the alignment of the spine also. Yeah. Because if your spine is strong, you are strong.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
If your lower back is hurting or cervical region is hurting, thoracic vertebra are hurting, you can't enjoy your life.
So it looks like yoga maintains your back, keeps your back.
Whole body.
Whole body. So right now we've done exercises for the back. Are there any other exercises for our hands or for, you know, our legs or our tummies?
Put it lie at your back, head on the side. Now, Wills.
Yes.
Now it's a challenge for you from two ladies. Okay. Now your both hands under your hips. Now this is for the tummy, and you go there and feel personally how the stomach is hard like a stone.
Okay.
Or rock. Uddarasan, both feet together. Inhale, both legs at the angle of 60. Hold the breath, toes pointed upward. Hold the breath. Now you come here. See how hard stomach is hard like a rock.
Yeah.
You can poke the fingers.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah.
Like this. Okay, this is called the Uddarasan, to dissolve the fat of the stomach.
Okay.
Exhale, come back. Once more, please. Now again you feel.
I feel Raburus.
You feel this.
Really?
Yes. Okay.
That's English.
Come back.
You still have to do a few more of these.
This is to reduce the fat of the stomach.
Yes.
And next is a Purnavakrasana, full boat posture. Inhale. Now you will see. Inhale up. You see,
wow.
Eyes and toes at the same level. You can feel here now again. If their stomach is hard like a rock, you go and feel her stomach. Yes?
Yeah.
Come back. Once more. Inhale up.
I tell you.
This is for the stomach also.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And then come back. Both hands on your hips. Clockwise circle with the right leg. 5 circles. Start 1. You see, inhale up. Exhale down.
Down.
Inhale up. Then anti-clock 5 times. Then clockwise with the come back, relax. Now with the left. Clockwise, yes. Inhale up. Then anti-clock. Okay. Now with both. Come back. Just we are going to give the demo. Clockwise to 2 circles. Yeah. Clockwise. With both. And the anti-clock, 2 circles. Yes. Yes. It is for the stomach, hips, and thighs, and for the shaking also.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And now they will have to relax for a few seconds. The next, inhale 1, come up. Exhale 2, touch your toes. Inhale 3, then fall back. Now you see. Inhale 1, touch 2. Inhale 3, come back. Inhale 1, 2, 3. This is also for the spine, stomach, hips, and thighs. Okay, come back. Janu Shirshasana, sit. Your left foot will be with your right thigh. Inhale 1. Come back. Wrap your toes. No, you come from this side and watch. Their nose and knees are together.
Raburus nose, but yeah.
Inhale up.
Come
back. Other side, please. And you're sweating a lot now.
Yes.
Therefore, maintain the dignity of the men's, please. You're representing the whole men community. Okay. Come back. Relax. Okay. Now come in the lotus pose. And and swing. Body weight at your hands and swing. You see. This is called the lotus pose.
Yeah.
And sleep.
That's
Sleep in this posture.
That's difficult.
Your arms need to be very strong.
And this is a fish pose. Okay. This is a fish pose. Fish pose with a lotus pose. Flower. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Come back. The shoulders stand with the lotus pose. Now, you see.
Wow.
This is a treatment posture for asthma and hypo or hyperthyroidism. Flower posture.
Wow.
Legs, open your legs and stretch your legs. This is a flow posture. You see the way you flow in the palms, that pose. Okay. Arms stay. Usha, hold your toes. Come back. Open your legs now. Open your legs at the ground. Come back.
Let me ask you, how long should or how often should you do yoga as a form of exercise?
Yes. How often?
If you ask me, we eat every day, yeah?
Every day.
We eat every day, we drink every day, we work every day, we go to office every day, we take bath every day, we go for the walk every day. It should be the part of our life.
Every day for how long?
We will have to devote, we will have to, and we should devote around 1 hour.
1 hour.
To our body. We devote, you see, we watch that TV for hours and hours. We listen to music for hours and hours. And this we are doing for our body, mind and soul.
Who can't practice yoga, or who are the people who are to be put off against yoga? Because you know they say sometimes when you have weak knees you can't go to the gym. You know,
yes. It's a very beautiful question and a very much important question. I go to teach yoga to oldest people at this club at Aga Khan Pavilion and Aga Khan Singers Club. You'll be able to be surprised to know the ladies come at wheelchair. They do.
They come in
whatever
wheelchair.
they can do, whatever they can do, they do because they have the strong and solid mind. We will do this. Okay. You can do the yoga at the chair. You can do the yoga lying at the back, watching TV, while standing, even at in your washroom also.
Yes.
Somebody is asking here.
Yeah.
Can you do yoga when you are pregnant?
Yes. Why not? Why not? In the first, you
can't do that.
No. Yes. There are some few exercises for those women who are blessed by the blessings of the God. They are pregnant and they are going to give birth to new generation. According to our holy books, whatever you can teach your child in the womb, you can't teach after coming out of the womb. During pregnancy, whatever the culture, education you can give your baby.
So you can practice yoga but not heavy yoga?
No, in the first trimester we do the yoga but light exercises. Then in the second trimester a bit hard. In the third trimester we're doing. And she is teaching yoga. She has a special group for those ladies who are pregnant and they are coming till. They also come in during the labor pain.
Yeah. To ease it up.
Yes.
I see we have some props here.
Yeah. Come on.
Kindly tell us what they're for, because yoga is
this is the football, and I think Mr. Ravar is going to accept the challenge now.
Yeah.
So please stand up. Hold the football in your palms and stretch your arms. So you will feel. Come with me. You come with me.
Oh, Moshe, you can go.
Yeah.
This time.
Usual dancer, come please. Usual dancer, Chakar.
Okay.
Inhale deep. Now press the football with your palms. You will feel how this muscle is hard. You see? It's hard.
You press hard.
Yes, you have to press hard. You just see. Yes.
You don't just hold.
You just see here.
Press.
Yeah.
This muscle.
Yeah.
It's hard like this.
Yeah.
Come back.
So you just hold it.
You just hold it. Inhale deep. Inhale deep.
You can try. Inhale.
Hold the breath.
Press.
press the football with the palms. Yes, you see, you are feeling the stretch here.
Yes.
Press it. Arm straight in your arm. Now you see your muscles hard. Yes. Okay. Now
Looks simple.
Yeah, it's
but,
simple.
yeah.
It is sweat.
clockwise rotation. Clockwise. Go 1, 2. Semi-clockwise. 3, 4, 5.
Breathing.
6,
Guru, you are not breathing. Breathe.
7.
Right,
Come
you have
back.
to breathe.
Relax. Now up and down. You see.
Right, you have to
Now
breathe.
there. 1, 2. 1, 2. Arm straight, please.
Okay.
No. It's okay.
1, 2. Now squat. 1, 2.
Yeah, squatting.
1. So squat. 2.
Squatting.
1.
Yeah.
Sima. 2. Chair pose mein kariye. Do in the chair pose, sir. 1.
So if you cannot do a full squat, this can also work.
It is the chair pose. It is also you see. It's a skiing. Buy one get one free. Your arms are working. The whole pressure is at your knees.
But what if I
What
have knee problems? I can't squat. What happens?
Then you do.
I just stand.
Yes.
Just stand.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Come back. Please drop it down. Take the stick. You see, we are using the props in our yoga sessions. Why? You didn't ask me. Why?
Yeah, why are you using?
The answer is, the props helps in increasing the intensity and the effect of the posture.
Okay.
You see. Now the stick behind your shoulders. Yes. Bit gap between your feet. No, rolling. Yes. This is to remove the tire from the waist.
Oh, if we remove the tire from the waist.
Now, Mr. Guru, stick behind your upper shoulder. Upper shoulder, yes.
Like this?
Yes. Don't move your hips. Lock your hips and thighs. Okay. Very good.
Just your upper body, Willis. Upper body.
Your only upper body should move.
Yes.
Come back. Side stretch. Triangle pose. Triangle pose. Maximum gap between your feet. 1. Go right. Inhale up. Left. Exhale left. Inhale up. Exhale left. Up. Are you enjoying the stretch here?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. You feel
It's working.
You feel here it's hard. Hold it, sir. This part is hard. You can hit it like this.
No.
Yes, we can.
Alright.
Come back. Drop your upper body parallel to ground. Now right hand touching the right foot, left touching left. Right touching the right too. Yes. Yes. Now you see. Now reduce the gap between your feet. Now your stick should come in between your toes. Yes. Now the stick is coming in between your toes. This exercise, it helps in removing the fat from the waist and stomach very fast. Okay.
Very nice.
Now feet together, knees together. Feet together, knees together. Now your stick should come in between your toes. You see. Very good. Come back.
What about the tennis?
Timings 10 seconds.
No, tennis
The
ball.
tennis.
Tennis ball. Tour karke dikha. Now Seema is going to explain how they are going to do the exercise with the tennis ball.
See, hold the tennis ball in the tips of the fingers. Okay, then inhale and press it.
Squeeze the tennis ball with your fingertips.
It's good for
And
the
you will feel
arthritis.
with the fingertips.
Arthritis and gout.
Arthritis and
Yeah.
gout.
Arthritis and gout?
Yeah.
How?
Yes.
How?
You see, you are feeling any stretch? Mr. Raghu is going to explain what kind of the stretch is coming. How are you feeling in your fingers, arms, up?
Yeah.
Yes.
You hold it tight.
Yeah,
Hold it
tightly.
tight.
We are pressing
Squeeze
it.
Oh, you're squeezing it.
Yeah,
Squeeze
yeah.
it.
You straighten your arm, and now just pretend you are squeezing the ball. But how is the stretch here?
Yeah.
Yes.
How
The
does that-
penetration of the yoga pose
Now,
is
other
very
hand.
deep. It clears your all the systems. It gives the impact at the tissues, nerves, arteries, veins, muscles, skin, joints. everywhere. Now other side, yes. Now namaste and squeeze the namaste. Now you come and feel here. But what's happening here? See this muscle here from this side.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Come back. Clutch your hands. No, clutch your hands. Hold the ball and clutch your hands. Now you feel this muscle. Feel this muscle. Yes. Hard like stone. Yes. Come back. Which one? Hold it in your elbow joint. It is not to play, my dear. Hold it and press your elbow. Now you see, they are squeezing the ball with the pressure of the lower and upper arm.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, there's a resistance band.
There is a dyna band.
Yeah.
Okay, dyna band, please.
Or do you want to go to the weights fast?
Oh, weight face, yes, okay.
Weights fast.
Now Seema is going to demonstrate. Seema and Usha are going to demonstrate how to do the exercise. You see, it's a yoga pose. It is called a warrior pose.
Yes.
We are going to use the weights. Okay. Point your knee.
There is warrior 1, warrior 2.
You see, they are gripping it. The whole stretch is coming here. Buy one get one free. In the simple posture, we don't use the. You do it without. You can use this ball and support it in your hand in this posture. Other exercise. Next. You see, to make the chest muscles strong, and also this exercise avoids the sagging of the upper arm. You see, after the age of 40, 50, you might have seen many people.
So
Their arm the sagging to avoid, and also you see the pressure is coming here. Come here. See this muscle up, shoulder blade. Feel it here. Feel it, and do it. Yes, this muscle. It's a shoulder blade. It's a shoulder blade. Also, this exercise cures the cervical spondylitis, and frozen shoulder.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Next. This is a triangle pose. Other side. Come back. Other side. Vakarasana. This is a spinal twist now. This is a spinal twist. From here till tailbone, the whole spine is. Now come back. Opposite. Very good.
And you don't have to buy this, weights. You can use the balls like Willis is using. Yeah, you don't necessarily.
So when you're using the ball, do you
can also put the sand in the bottles.
Yeah, sand in bottles.
Yes, using it. Yeah.
squeeze the ball when you're doing that?
Yes.
Yeah.
We do.
You're squeezing the ball as you're doing it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
okay.
usually if you feel the stretch in your rear wrist joint. Okay.
The dyna band. Time is not on our side.
Yeah.
We want to show our viewers.
Then after we are going to demonstrate in the pair.
Okay.
Okay. Dyna band. You will see. This is also the advanced step of the warrior pose.
And it's really stretching
Come
the
back.
body.
Other exercise. You think yoga is to discipline your body, mind, and soul?
Once the three of them are in sync, then you're good to go.
Yes. Come back. Other side. Other exercise. You see, those who can't raise their legs up, they can use it. This is a boat posture with the dyna band. This is a boat posture.
Bow posture.
Okay.
A boat posture. Boat.
Boat. It's a boat.
Come back. Other side. Next one.
It's for the thighs. For the
Thighs
fat.
and the pocket fat. You might have seen many people. Yes.
Try to open the feet.
Now you feel her thighs and breast pain. Feel that? The effect is coming there. Yes. Come back.
Also, you open and then...
Yeah.
Come back.
Then
and
Open and stretch.
open the band.
Yeah.
open the bend. You see?
Yeah.
It's tight now. Come back. Next is in the pair. Okay.
Yeah.
In the pair.
Okay.
How two people can make the yoga interesting
Okay.
and funny.
Okay.
And you will see the energy level. First you do the
Dhruv pose.
you see this is called the Dhruvasana. Come and watch it from the front.
Okay, we'll come through there. Yeah. So that's how you make it more exciting, the two of you.
You go and try.
No.
Mr. Guru, can you try?
Not appropriately dressed.
Okay,
Not
come back.
appropriately dressed.
This is the Natrajasana, balancing. Now she's pushing her foot outward, the alignment of the spine and thighs.
Yes.
Okay, come back. Sitting. Now they are pulling one and each other. Now, you see.
Wow.
Come back. Sit down. Star pose. This is a star pose.
Okay.
Nice.
Come back.
This one is interesting. I can
Halasana. Done. Now you see the flow posture. How they are going to. Take it. Yes.
Really stretching the body.
Turn opposite and make the star with the feet.
Dog.
Lie edge up. Yes. Now she's going to balance at her back.
Right leg lift karo.
Now.
Okay.
It's a slippery here. Yeah. Balancing.
Okay.
Interesting.
Come back. Now lie on this side. So you lie on this side and make the star with your legs. Diamond pose. Ready? Like what I get. Come in the front. More. It will give you a very good impact.
Do you have to be the same height to do this?
Yeah. Same height, same flexibility.
Okay.
And same chemistry also.
Yeah.
And then do chemistry.
Yeah.
And do chemistry.
Yeah.
Yeah, same chemistry, yes. Now they are together for the last 16 years. Usha has been with us for the last 15, 16 years.
So
And
they're
Papa and each other very well.
You
Next.
do the lotus pose. Yeah. Fish pose. Then I will do the other. On
This is called as a lotus pose. This one. Now she is going to balance at her.
This is very easy. I mean, you can do it in the house.
No, she is
You don't have to do it.
meeting her whole body weight at her thighs.
Yes.
These muscles are getting stretched. Okay. Kuro pose. Lotus pose, Kuro pose.
And this is the final one because time is not on our end.
Okay.
We need
Now
to
let's
be-
start with last one.
This one is good.
Come back.
Okay. And let's talk to you. The microphone is just right next to you. You've been doing it for the last 16 years. What are the benefits for your body?
Yeah, somebody just now asked me why you look so younger, attractive, so lovable. So it's because of yoga.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And this is both my teachers. So thanks to them.
Yes. You look younger and you look...
Yeah, of
Have you
course.
lost weight?
So much.
Yeah?
Almost, 12 to 13 kilo.
In how long? In the...
Yeah, slowly I will.
Okay.
But once I entered here, I know that what my capability,
Yes.
what I can do more.
Yeah.
You know, what's the life by day.
Yeah.
I can sense it very
So
well.
do you do
Can
yoga
you
with
tell
that?
us how old they are?
No, you never reveal a woman's age. Woman's age. Never. Yeah, never reveal
Okay.
a
Do
woman's
you do
age.
yoga with a diet plan?
Yes.
Do you do yoga in
Yeah,
in
we
a
do.
diet
Yes,
plan?
yes. Also, you see, only yoga is not going to help. You are to control upon your mouth. Many people, they travel all the way abroad to stick their stomach. Tummy tuck. You might have heard about it. They say it is in the fashion. But it's better to zip your mouth rather to cut your stomach forever. Okay?
Yes.
So, yoga, breathing, and diet plan, it helps a lot.
Helps a lot.
Yes.
Okay.
Yoga
And
is
I
not.
add that diet plan doesn't mean that you are not eating or starving. For the who have disease or no disease, for everyone have a healthy food, of course,
Yes.
it helps you.
Yes.
So
Helping
healthy
you.
food, that
Yes.
means what? Healthy food you
Yes.
are eating.
Okay.
That doesn't mean you are not eating and starving
Yes,
yourself.
yourself. All right. Okay.
Seema,
We are coming to the end.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for joining us this morning. Of course, we'll be coming back. We'll come back to the what is it called? The first pose you showed us, the first set of poses.
Sun salutation.
Salutation, yeah. But thank you so much for joining us here on the Power Breakfast Show. We do hope that you've been informed, you've been educated, and you have been entertained. On behalf of everyone who makes this show a success, want to wish you a beautiful Tuesday. We'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much for inviting us.
Yeah.
And we are been honored and we are pleased to come to your studio.
Thank
and
you.
We able to put the light on yoga
Yes.
and the benefits of yoga.
Yes.
And if you want to join, it should be the part of your life. And our contacts. If you want to contact us, our contact is 0733 809-724.
Oh, the number is actually scrolling down there.
And 0738
Yeah, it's scrolling down.
622-371, and our email is yogguru24@yahoo.com.
All that is scrolling down there. So that's
Thank you very much.
All right.
And we are going to
Let's do our last
finish
one.
our
Yes,
conversation.
and again, thank you so much. My name is Yusuf, reminding me as always that successful people look like you and Manchester United.
Mutegi?
Yeah, thank you very much. Do this, but the difference between what I do
Yes.
and this has involved spirit.
Oh, has it
We
been?
do yoga for physical fitness,
Yes.
not for the spirit.
Yes.
No, the spirit, we are running short of time. We could have shown you the meditation, breathing, pranayams, how we should breathe in, how to control our mind, and how to cure clean our soul.
One day.
For that we need
Another day.
the
Another
Yeah,
day.
time.
that is
the right breathing.
Yeah, we have to move on. We have to move on. Take us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, sun salutation. 1, 2, 3.